Another formula that we can look at is calculating the degree of operating leverage. So what we need to do is take our contribution margin and then multiply that by our earnings before interest and taxes. So I'm just going to get a factor that I can use and apply it to when we increase our sales in units by 25%. So this is just a shortcut. So then I'll show you how the shortcut fits into the statement that we did in the previous video. So if I go ahead and grab the contribution margin, so the contribution margin is 96,000. So I'll take that. And then I'm going to divide that by my earnings before interest and taxes, which is 36,000. That gives me a factor of 2.66666, so that's repeating. And then what we do with this factor is we say, okay, so we take the 2.67 and multiply that by 25, then that gives us 66.67%. So that means that's how much our earnings before interest and taxes will increase when we increase our units by 25%. Okay, so let's just do the math right here. So if I take 60 minus 36, that gives me an increase of 24,000. Okay, so without having to put together this statement, we can get that increase just from applying this factor. So we can go 2.67 times 25, which equals the 66.67%, and then multiply that by the 36,000, and then that gives us our increase of $24,000. And here is the thing. With this factor, we want it to be lower, because once this factor starts to get quite high, that's showing that the company is becoming over leveraged. So it means that they have more fixed costs that they have to take care of, which means they have to sell more in order to, when they have their increases and decreases in their unit sales.